with your foot. Like it doesn't change. Nothing. Yeah. This is the step. Okay. Ready? Great. Yeah. So what did I do? This was like I would say this is a jump, then a dip to my body, and then a pick to my body. Right? So I dip and then I go up. From Krishna. No, you did it early. Yeah. So ka, hey. We put